Oh my gosh, we are in a boat. We're in a boat. We're in a boat with my flippy floppies. Mom! Oh man, we come right into the bar. What is this?
They do that all the time.
Downtown Miami. And it is so crazy because on the other side of the ship over here, there's a whole bunch of more big buildings. I did not think Miami was this big, but this is massive. More big buildings over there. More over here. And we got a whole nother big area over there. Here's our room. Ashley. Oh, lights are turning on. They turn on very slowly. It takes like 2 minutes for these lights up here to turn on for some reason. Ashley's sitting right there. Here's our luggage yoga mat. And then Bella's bed comes down from up there. And Bella is out here on our balcony. Out on the balcony, Missy.
Yep.
We got a lot of stuff loading. There's some decks below us. It's kind of loud out here, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're waving at Disney Cruise Lines right now. Woo! There's Miami Beach. That's where it happens right there.
And now we're out on the ocean. Tomorrow, our first day at sea.